Hangga ako ay roll on, pick na lang ng Axe 3 sa balay, ikan sa Besano Mall.
Blow it, man, blow it.
Nyaray, imo na po kong giaway. Tanawa rugod imong lawa. Bukton mo, limpo. Imong paa, crispy pat. Ado na pa'y na wing, murag praning.
Mayan Japon. Puwana may lain, layar, ano dyan kalaban ng gandi.
One day. Shut the fuck up! Mura makag polygon. Tanaway mong nangong, murag cinnamon. Kung side view, murag half moon.Ros, ginoo, piniti ka sila sa bulsa na murag Pokemon. Anang, sweet. So, do you wanna fight me? No, do you wanna suck me boy? Kasi one day, kumpirmadong rugby boy.
Salam.
Give it up. 300, imong naong murag retarded.
Relax ka
Straight from the heart, straight from the heart.
Ikaw taga barangay Kanaway, bantog na kay mong laway gabitay. Taga Kanaway, puro 4, imong naong murag trapo.
That's one.
Imong naong murag trapo, may pagbuli ka sa inyo, mahugas kag plato, kay tara ka maayo.
Represent, come on. Give it 20. Rib cage. Yeah, baby. Yeah, nipples, so tiny. Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Taga Pro 4 koray. Kay ngano ikaw taga Abigail kabay. Klaro man kay imong bilbil gabitay.
Come on.
Is that what you called rapping? I thought you were just talking. Is that all you got? Why'd you take a spot and give it your best shot? Compared to me, you're nothing when I'm rhyming. Cause I'm one of the hell when I start rapping. Why didn't you just go to hell and get stuck in? And get your rap battle with Osama bin Laden?
Go.
Pero okay raman ba kung imong bilbil gabitay? Kay imong simod, laway.
Round 3.
Bye. English ka bye. You smell like a mayonnaise. Go to Cantonese. You look like a faggot Chinese. Your height is a 12 inches. Wala ka sabot kaya ako nag-English. Talking about rapping, like talking. So yo, here's my token, play my game. When I say sure you can, and I prove it, and I will never get you out of the frame. Yo, little midget, I step back away from you. Stop sending me love letters, and you take a bath and take a brush, and you can kiss me better.
Dura, that's picture. Wala gituyo eh.
Brian.
Buloy to is buloy.
Easy, go. Let's go with Wande, come on. Dito si Buloy to.
Bye! Mura mga tigipo sa garbage. Please, isalvage. Imong baba, mura garage. PD parking ako sportage.
Give it up Wande, come on.
Ay flabi ribe sig maot dan apad ka maranay nung dan mapildi ka bay. You compare yourself to Fuego?
Oh.
I don't think so, cause you look like a Longo.
This one.
Oh my gosh. Is this a hypertension? I thought it was so tension. Because I'm hyping, like I'm rhyming. Compared to me, I'm no sure you can. I ain't nothing.
You're my brother from another mother, and your
Shut the
father
fuck
is
up.
Bapayan.
Fuck up.
Like Bapayan that's in Kawin.
I ain't know nothing because you look like Button. I ain't no look like Bapa.
Whoa.
I'm cute. You know that?
Yeah.
My mom once told me. I was so hungry at the time.
All about myself.
That's why I'm skinny. But you know what skinny mean is? Uy, what's that?
Ano po yun? Madami ng dali dito.
Wala na. Magdin siguro
Sige.
tag-spaka ni.
Run for, run for. Time. Last 10 seconds. Last bit. Gumagi. Wala na time.
Hinaot ko doon na kay mga pamulong nga hasid rabay.
Tayo.
Kaya ko karaang tasis kanaway.
Give it up, man. Give it up.
Kaya kung ikaw taga Abigail, gabitay mo, Belbel. Pag diet try, aron ikaw di magmahay.
Yo, give it up to Judge Simon. I go for a no C. Oh, sige na tagot yan eh. Para dagan mo. Oh, sorry. I go for a no C. Yeah. Nibig. Sup. Puti. Ano mag? Why? Sige. Namay na ako nakitaan. Sa likod mo. Yo, sup, yo. I go for... Yeah, fuck, Ori.
Kontram na sila. Kontram na sila.
So Ryan goes first.
Okay, Ryan.
No. So Ganina, so one goes first.
One day.
Starts now.
Taga-egg. Malaasang mga
Bino?
Wa pa.
Oo, ang Bino.
Kajut lang.
boss. Boss, I love yan. Boss.
Tapos puso, tapos ni.
Tawa ni Pusod, sudah naglaga.
Diyan ang ilaga.
Sige, Wani, go, Wani.
Kanang mga pamulong ni Moray, ikalot sa imong una-una nga murag anay. Kay ngano, di ista na ang panahon ikaw lakaw sa kasadang malipayon. Kay ikaw way kwarta. Kay ngano, wa ka tagaay sa imong mama. Pero okay ra na siya, pautangon di ka.
Napa. Come on, sige, go. Napa. Sige na.
Pero okay ra na bay kung ako aglawas. Di mo na siya angay ikamahay. Kay kung inana akong lawas, idasmag ko nagmarket bay.
Time.
Okay.
Rem kamay bay.
Come on, Ryan. Come on. Give it up for Ryan.
Kanawag kag mamabay.
Respect the MC, man.
Yo, mana na siya eh. Oh, sige, mana daw.
Kanawag kag mamabay, imong nawong murag giatay. Grabe ka sasaw, imong mama nay kulisaw, imong papa murag isaw. Kung nakalusot mang, kung wala man ko kalusot gabi sa imong lyrics o sa imong linya karon, utawag makag bumbero, wa kay ikya sa kalayo ni Moyko.
Pinagstadihan.
Ikaw taga Kanaway, ni Malaka mo kagiatay. Magang. Hataw ga si Unyot. Para ikaw mong ulam na pudog putiso ni Michael V. Oh! Niutong. Para mga katutubo na wala ni tubo.
Judging.
Based from the...
gamay.
Tama.
Gamay lang jud kayo, gamay lang.
Judges. Come on. Come on, dog.
Gakalayo de karay. Mayra nimo aron ka mamatay.
Patay mo ingon. Murag patay. Yatay tanaway mong lawas murag bangkay. Gamay.
Kailangan ni lawasa bay. Jikwing ka na kaniadto. Ligo lang kog bird flu.
Ayusan. Shut up. Ayusan. Okay, ate, wala na kay time. Shit. Jikping ka, di ka kaniadto, nanaigo kag bird flu. Bantong ray mong naong, murag kampo sa bakterya. Itaas kay mong ilog, punog salmonella. Lala.
Sige ra magkagmamaaray. Kay imong baba na puno og bakterya. Pero okay ra na siya bay. Kung ako na igog bird flu, ikaw gimadkaw. Kay imong nawing murag kakao.